If I were you, I'll get my pen and paper and pay attention, because this is about to be the most useful video you will see today. In my last video, I talked about the new tax act and some changes that will be affecting your personal income tax. That is the tax you pay on your employment income. In this video, I'm going to use real numbers and practical examples to show how much a person earning 4 million naira in a year pays using the old tax act and how much they will pay using the new tax act. Let's get into it. So for the first example, we'll be using the old tax act to determine what the taxable income will be, or what the tax will be for this individual. And the assumption is that this individual has a gross income of 4 million naira, and they make a pension contribution of 8%. So 8% of 4 million naira, that is 320,000 naira. Now let's calculate the consolidated relief allowance. So the consolidated relief allowance is just an allowance or a part of your income that you don't have to pay tax on. And the first one is the higher of 200,000 naira, or 1% of your gross income, which is 4 million naira. So 1% of 4 million naira is 40,000 naira. So the higher of these two is 200,000 naira. So 200,000 naira will be the relief for this category. Now the second relief will be 20% of your income after deducting pension or national housing fund if you contribute to that. So that will be 20% of 4 million naira minus this 280,000 naira that is being contributed to as pension, minus 320,000 naira, and that is 3,680,000 naira. So we then apply 20% on this. So 3,680,000 naira times 20%, and that is 736,000 naira. So 736,000 naira and 200,000 naira are the consolidated relief allowance. Therefore, this individual's taxable income will then be 4 million minus their pension minus the first allowance, which is 200,000 naira, minus 736,000 naira, and that will give us 2,744,000 naira. So they are earning 4 million naira. However, the tax they will pay will be on 2,744,000 naira. Now we've determined that the person's taxable income is 2,744,000 naira. Let's go ahead to calculate the tax due. So using the old tax threshold, which I shared in my previous video, that will be the first 300,000 naira will be charged at 7%, and that is 21,000 naira. So after deducting 300,000 naira from this amount, there is still some left, and will continue because it's a progressive tax system. So the next 300,000 naira, based on the old tax law, will be charged at 9%, and that is 33,000 naira. Then the next 500,000 naira will be charged at 15%, and that is 75,000 naira. The next 500,000 naira, we are still going because the person still has some money left from this amount. So the next 500,000 naira will be charged at 19%, and that is 95,000 naira. So we've charged 300, 300, 500, 500, which is 1.6 million naira. However, out of the money the person had, the person now has 1,144,000 naira, which will now be charged at 21%. So this balance, 1,144,000 naira, will be charged at 21%, and that is 240,000 naira, 240. So when you find the total of this, it means that the total tax the person has to pay in a year is 464,000 naira, 464,240 naira. So this is the total tax due to this person who earns 4 million naira in a year. And when you deduct this amount from their gross earnings, it means that their take home or their net income will be 3,535,760 naira. So this is the amount they will have left after paying tax. And remember, tax is paid monthly. So this tax due 464,000 naira. If you divide it by 12 months, that will be 38,687,000 naira deducted from your salary every month as the tax due. So we've determined how much this individual has to pay using the old tax act. However, in this new tax act, some things have changed and we are going to calculate how much tax they now have to pay using the new tax act. So come with me again. In the last example, using the old tax act, we assume that the person earns a gross income of 4 million naira and also contributes 8% to his pension fund, which is 320,000 naira. However, in this new tax act, the consolidated relief allowance has been completely eliminated, so it does not exist anymore, and we are not going to include this in our calculation. However, there is a new relief, which is the rent relief. If you've not seen my previous video, see my previous video because I explained that in more details. So we are going to consider the rent relief in this current calculation. So the rent relief, it's usually the lower of, or is supposed to be the lower of 200,000 naira or 20% of your rent, of the amount you pay on rent. So let's assume that this individual pays a rent of 1.5 million naira. So 20% of that will be 300,000 naira. As you can see, this 300,000 naira is already higher than the 200,000 naira which we are comparing it with. So the law says the lower of 200,000 naira or 20% of your rent. So we are taking 200,000 naira as the rent relief. So 200,000 naira will be the rent relief. So given this, we have a taxable income of 4 million minus 320,000 naira minus 200,000 naira. So our taxable income is 3,480,000 naira. So now we have to calculate the tax due using the new tax rates. Remember, in the last video, I showed the old tax rates and the new tax rates. And in the new tax threshold, between 0 naira and 800,000 naira will be tax free, so no tax will be charged on that amount. However, anything higher than 800,000 naira will definitely be taxed. So for us here, 0 to 800,000 naira, that is free, no tax will be due on this amount. So the next 2,200,000 naira will be taxed at a rate of 15%, and that is 330,000 naira. Now remember, we already have 800,000 naira free and we've taxed 2,200,000 naira. Based on the amount we have here, the balance to be taxed is 480,000 naira. So we'll tax the 480,000 naira at 18%, and that is 86,400 naira. So adding these two, the total tax due to this individual is 416,400 naira. And with this, they have to pay a monthly tax of 34,700 naira if you divide this amount by 12 months. And using this, it means that at the end of the year or in a full year, their net take home or their net income after tax deduction will be 3,583,600 naira. Now let's compare the two payments, or should I say the two tax calculations, and see how they compare with each other. So for the old and new rate, we both assumed that the person earns 4 million naira. So the gross income is 4 million naira. And the tax due using the old rates is 464,250 naira, and that will give the person a net income of 353,760 naira. So this will give us an effective tax rate. That is, if you want to get the actual rate the person paid on tax, this will give us an effective tax rate of 11.6%. However, using the new rates, still the person has an income of 4 million naira and the tax paid is 416,400 naira. Therefore, the net income is 353,583,600, and this gives us an effective tax rate of 10.4%. So if we compare the old and the new tax rates, this individual will be paying slightly lower tax in terms of percentage rate compared to the old tax rate. Bear in mind that these examples here are simplified and they are based off the assumptions we made in this video, which are that the person earns 4 million naira as gross earnings, the person contributes 8% to their pension fund and does not have any other allowable contributions, and the person pays rent of 1.5 million naira every year. It's important every individual understands how their tax are calculated because it's a key part of your finances. In Make Finance Simple, we break down and discuss everything finance and investment related so that you can understand them in simple terms. Now, if you're interested in learning how to start investing either in stocks, bonds, money market funds, mutual funds, treasury bills, FGN bonds, and so on, our Invest Now webinar is coming back this July on July 13th, and it's going to be a practical session and a very limited one as well. So if you're interested, it's better you click the link on my bio right now or copy the link on my screen to secure your spot. Don't forget to like and follow for more finance made simple. Leave your comments below and I'll see you in the next video.